Good morning, everybody. Today is Tuesday, January 19th, and today our morning meeting is virtual because I am at a doctor's appointment. But by watching this video, you will have all the information that you need to get started on your work, and we will still have live class at 10:30 a.m. I should be back to work by then. So at 8:15, my advice is to start on your social studies. At 9 o'clock, start on your specials. Today's special is PE. Our live class instruction is at 10:30 instead of 10 o'clock to give me a little bit more time to get home from the doctor and just to be on the safe side. At 11:30, you will have time to do your reading and math independent work. Remember, I don't like for you to do your reading and math work before that live class instruction because I teach you the skills that you need to know to do this work. And we will have small group time. I'm meeting with group 2 today at 12:30. Group 1, you are not going to miss your small group time just because there was no school yesterday. I am going to be meeting with you tomorrow at 10 while the rest of the class has catch up and pickles time. Your learning targets for this week are finding main idea and key details, explaining the function of adverbs, modeling equivalent fractions, and you're going to be learning about the Native Americans that lived in the Plains region. You're going to have an agenda, just like last week. Your agenda has all your times for lessons again. And you can click right into your assignments from the agenda. Small group 2, that's Mel, Nolan, Kira, and Landon. You can press this button to join your guided reading group. I do get very excited when people turn their work in on time because it means I only have to grade that assignment in one sitting. So thank you to those of you that have worked so hard to meet the deadlines. Remember, you can find a copy of your agenda for the day in the announcements section on our homeroom Canvas page. So right under this video, you can actually click the agenda button. It will load for you. If you want to download a copy to your computer and print it off for you, I really suggest that if possible so that you can cross off things as you submit them to make sure that you're really done. You can click right here and it will download it to your personal computer. You can open and print. I won't be over here in the corner when you print it like that. That way you can click right into your work, but also cross it out when it's done to help you be accountable. So remember, our live class meeting is at 10:30 today. It's a little later than normal because I'm at the doctor, but we will still meet. It will just be at 10:30. Go ahead and get started on your social studies and your specials work. If you need to work ahead in the reading and language arts and math, I actually did pre-record the lessons, so they are in there for you. And then also this would be a great time. A lot of you still have missing work from last week to go ahead and get caught up on that so that it's all done and you don't have it waiting for you when we get back to school. So remember, you can click grades and it will show you what work you're missing. Also, I sent each of you an email over the weekend with any missing assignments that you may have in Canvas. So if you check your Canvas email over here is where I sent them. You'll have messages from me about what you are missing. So now would be a great time to get caught up on that also. All right, I should be back to work by around 10:15, ready to answer questions. Thank you for doing your best while I'm at the doctor. And I can't wait to see you later. Bye.